Hi, it's me. I'm back. I'm just gonna do a quick review and update on Hairfinity vitamins. You can see that they kind of grew my hair out because my hair wasn't this long actually. My hair was about this long here on this end, but it's about 1.5 inches long now. My hair is about a good. Hold on, let me see right here. My hair, as you can see, my hair comes right here to my forehead. And so that basically lets me know that Hairfinity vitamins have grown my hair within a month, 1.5 inches. So my hair is like 3 inches now. So I was pretty much giving you guys an update on my hair. And I'll be getting some micro braids soon, sometime this week. So I won't be doing an update until after my micro braids come out. And when my hair is getting more pressed out, then I'll pretty much give you a whole lot. Because if you look here, my hair is really, really long. It's about 3 inches here, so it's pretty much about 2.5, 3 inches all around. So with that being said, subscribe to my channel, Tony Love 28 at YouTube, and tell your friends about it, because I also not only do reviews on Hairfinity vitamins and Mixed Chicks with my update, I do biblical things as well and get the truth out about the Illuminati and about how Jesus saves your soul. So I do a lot of those things, and I'll be doing more uploads of Henry Wright sermons when I get my computer back up and running, because it had messed up. Yeah, my whole computer crashed, so that kind of let me have a whole lot that I got to get done. So Happy New Year to all my YouTube people, and to those gurus who not only do hair products and things of that nature. Good luck in life for you guys, and praise God from whom all blessings flow. I'm out.